play the official X channel. And if I scroll up now, you can see this particular post. But before I go to this particular post, let me scroll up. You can see this post that was made 2 days ago. So I'm just going to come and show more. The moment you have anticipated has arrived. DDAI network is proud to officially announce the conversion rate for DDAI requests to DDAI tokens is set at 1000:1. What this means is that 1000 DDAI requests is equal to 1 DDAI token. They explain it here. This means for every 1000 DDAI requests end, you will receive 1 DDAI token. And they said this conversion marks a pivotal step in realizing the full utility and value of your contributions within our ecosystem. So here they are going to just give us the information we actually need. So if I scroll back to that post, the initial post, I just come and tap on show more here. I'm just going to take the most important points. You can see from here that the DDAI snapshot is actually incoming. So we should now be ready for our airdrops. Here they are actually announcing the upcoming snapshots. And they are saying they're going to take the snapshot of eligible account soon. So the big question is now, how do you know that you are eligible? So these are the requirements now. So the DDAI team is saying that they are committed to giving the airdrop to active and genuine contributors. The first eligibility criteria is that your account must have been created before 30th of June 2025. The second eligibility criteria is that you must have contributed at least 100,000 DDAI requests. Don't worry, we won't get into the app, I'm going to show you that. The third eligibility is that you should not have used bots. Some persons are going to be using bots, using different network, trying to cheat the system. So they said only genuine and unique network activity will be rewarded. So if your network was consistent, and the point is that you were just being fair, you are going to receive the airdrop. Then the node holders, these are the people that invested money to become a DDAI node holder. They said you are guaranteed to receive an airdrop. Definitely, that's for sure, because they invested money into the project, okay? And lastly, they said airdrop tax. You must have completed at least 3 out of 4 tasks in the airdrop section of your DDAI dashboard. So what it means is that you should have done tax, okay? So for you to check your eligibility and end DDAI, you can just come here and tap on it, okay? But now, this is what I want you to know. They said, important note, the airdrop tokens will be 100% unlocked at TGE, that's token generation event. That means on the listing day, there is no form of vesting. We're going to be able to get 100% of our token. And now they gave us a guarantee. They said you will be able to claim them to your wallet before listing without incurring any financial mechanism fees. So what this means is that we are going to be able to claim our token to our wallet first of all before the listing. But I believe in the coming days they're going to announce that, okay? So yeah, they're just telling you not to miss the chance to get your airdrop, okay? So if I actually come and tap on this, if I tap on it now, and I scroll up, let's hear the questions that people are actually asking. Because I know a lot of persons are going to ask questions. Now this person said, I can't claim any money from the Phantom wallet. Will the problem be resolved? DDAI and I responded, the claim is not allowed at the moment. So what it means is that right now, we cannot be able to claim our DDAI tokens. You will be able to do that in the upcoming 1 to 2 days. Please turn on your that's your notification, for not missing our announcements. So what this means is that 1 to 2 days from now, we'll be able to claim our DDAI token. I believe that is clear enough. Now this question, I always get this question all the times. Most people used to ask, I don't have referrals, am I going to be eligible? Look at what this guy said here. I run solo and have no referrals. Am I eligible? Thanks. Look at the DDAI response. Definitely yes, you can. So whether you have referrals or you don't have referrals or, as long as you did all they wanted you to do, you are going to be eligible. It's very simple. This guy is now asking, if I am a node holder and I join after 30th of June, will I still be eligible? DDAI responded and said, yes, you're going to be eligible. This guy asked, where listing, sir? And they said, it will be announced before TGE. We just pray it is not Bitmart. So the last but not the least, you can see this guy here. This guy actually said, does this meet the requirement? That means he did this. Okay. And look at the response they gave. Let me scroll up a bit. With that display, you have successfully met our criteria to receive the airdrop. So right now I'm going to go to my DDAI app. So just minimize. Now most of you have been having issues. DDAI actually did some maintenance on their site, and after that, most of us have been having issues. So if you're still having issues, it's very simple. Look at what I did personally because I was having the same issue. Don't just come to the site here, okay? Come to this your extension. Tap on your extension and come to your DDAI. Tap your DDAI. You're going to see something like login here. Tap on your login, then put in your email, your password and everything. Then once you're done, it will take you over to the other page. This is what I mean. If you drag this down now, it will now bring you to this page here. So once it brings you to this page here, you can now go back to this your extension, tap on it, and go back to this DDAI. You tap on it. You cannot come here and claim your DDAI request, okay? So one of the eligibility they were talking about is this. If you look at this now, my total request is about 1.2 million. They said for you to be eligible, you need to have a minimum of 100,000 here. If you don't have a minimum of 100,000 here, what that means is that you are not going to be eligible for the airdrop. I believe that's clear enough. So let me just drag this down. So now, you can see it here. This is it. So just come here and tap on claim. So tap on claim. So this is actually my total request because I'm actually on the leaderboard. They calculated everything I have done plus referral commissions, and that gave me 7.1 million requests. So all you need to do is just come and tap on check eligible. So just tap on it. Let's see. Definitely I'm going to be eligible. So you can see from here that what they simply did was that they divided the total request by 1000, and that gave us the DDAI token, meaning that 1000 is to 1. So based on the information they gave us from their official X channel, they said within 1 to 2 days we are going to be able to claim this to our wallet. And they said we're going to claim to our wallet before the listing, and they are going to announce the exchanges we're going to list on.